With CNN Construction, I'm here at 8025 South Kildare Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60652, I believe, or 32. You want either or, but I'm here at Mr. Hoover's residence. It's up to repair this damaged shingle right here. This is the damaged one. Get these off. They're coming off easy. There we go. I'm gonna take the snake carefully. One. Be off.
That one.
There we go. Perfect. Out with the old shingle. We have a brand new one right here. Brand new shingle. Oh my God. There we go. Slide it up under. Don't even align. It's not a running line. Here we go. Now I am hammer. I'm going to nail these in now. Fun part. Go. Love this tool. One of the best tools to have for repair. Oh man, it's starting to rain. No. Last nail. Here we go. There we go. Okay, before this rain, look at this. Just by doing that attempt to repair, look at this. Shingles are already cracking and they are creasing. Look at this one right here. This one too. They're all creasing and cracking. Please take your time to review this video. The roof is not repairable. It will jeopardize the rest of the roof. Just doing one repair, it will cause a domino effect, jeopardizing the rest of the roof. Please take your time to review this video. Thank you.